Welcome to my class. Lesson: sentences used at the restaurant. Sentence is: please clean the table. Please clean the table. The next sentence is: can I order now? Can I order now? The next sentence is: what would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? The next sentence is: I would like fried rice. I would like fried rice. The next sentence is: I will have noodles. I will have noodles. The next sentence is: can I have extra sauce? Can I have extra sauce? The next sentence is: would you like dessert? Would you like dessert? The next sentence is: here is your dessert. Here is your dessert. The next sentence is: please bring more rice. Please bring more rice. The next sentence is: I need more plates. I need more plates. The next sentence is: I need some water. I need some water. The next sentence is: can I have a napkin? Can I have a napkin? The next sentence is: can I get chopsticks? Can I get chopsticks? The next sentence is: can I get a spoon? Can I get a spoon? The next sentence is: can I get a fork? Can I get a fork? The next sentence is: enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. The next sentence is: I like this dish. I like this dish. The next sentence is: can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? The next sentence is: can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? The next sentence is: thank you for your payment. Thank you for your payment.